My name's Maria. I had a situation on my hands where I had just bought a house and realized that I had an overflow of just sewage, nasty, bad smells. Being a first-time homeowner, I wasn't really sure who to call, how to even manage, but I ended up going on Google and found great reviews from RotoRooter. I decided to go with them, and within getting a couple of quotes, it took me a while to finally come back, and after so many great reviews, I decided to go with RotoRooter. After the work has been started and still in the process, super happy with how it's all being managed, what to expect and how long it's going to expect, and I love ultimately truth. And now I'm just more excited to put everything back together. So I recommend RotoRooter and Jason's team.